That's your license plate, isn't it?
All right, just go ahead and sue me. Everybody else does. The average settlement is $68,000.
I'm not here to sue you. My name is Astrid Weller. I own an art gallery and I'd love to display your piece.
You mean this hunk of junk? This isn't art. It's a barbecue that pushed me over the edge. Didn't you? You stupid dog!
Art isn't just pretty pictures. It's an expression of raw human emotion. In your case, rage.
Oh, I got that, lady.
You're damn right it's an expression. Art, baby.